Hey guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Welcome back again to my channel, Love Farm PH. Grabe guys, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-film about sa beginner's guide to free-range farming. But if I'm not mistaken, this will be the 8th episode. Tama ba? And for today's video, yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon is why you should start investing in the agriculture sector or farm business. That I myself, I started a backyard farm, a poultry farm, and I myself na-realize ko lang lately, and I know that I have to share this, especially dun sa mga audience ko na nag-i-start pa lang and iniisip nila if, wait, ito bang pinasok ko is really for me, or ito yung ating isang inahin. O, diba? Ang lalaki na guys, grabe. Is it worth the money? Is it worth it? So that is the reason why I wanted to make this vlog, kasi to clear off the doubts, the thoughts, or the questions na meron ka siguro when you are starting your own poultry farm. So yes, actually guys, let me just give you a brief story like that. I myself, guys, I'm very hesitant firstly na mag-start ng ganitong business kasi it's livestock, and when we say livestock, may buhay yan. So kapag may buhay yan, there is a possibility or a probability na pwedeng mamatay yan, magkasakit yan, 'di ba? Sayang naman yung gastos at yung effort mo sa pagpapalaki or pagpapakain sa mga alaga mo. And I really grabe, oo nga no, parang kinakabahan talaga ako nung mga first time ko. But in the long run, I realized that yes, it is really worth it. And this is the reason why. Alam nyo ba guys, since nung nag-pandemic, madaming tao yung nawalan ng source of food kasi madaming businesses yung nagsara. But you know what guys, kung malulutasan natin tong problema to, madami tayong matutulungan. And how will you help? So alam naman natin guys that livestock or meat is one of the most needed or consumable. Ito yung palaging kinakain natin everyday. Yung egg pa lang na inaalmusal natin. Tayong mga Pilipino, mahilig tayong kumain ng tapsilog, sisilog, lahat ng may itlog. So especially in the morning, sa breakfast, di ba? Palagi tayong kumakain yan. So that thing alone is we can help a lot of people to meet their needs para kumain sila. And that is the reason why farm business or agricultural business is very, very important. Kasi guys, we will be the answer in the food shortage in the world. So, I myself, I started this during quarantine, and I've seen I started a backyard broiler farm. So, nung time na yun, yung mga tao, mahirap silang makapasok sa market. So, we have the market day here in Pangasinan. So, hindi araw-araw makakapunta ka sa market. What if yung market day mo, wala kang pera nung time na yun? So, hindi ka nakapunta, diba? And ako kasi yung ginawa ko, nagbenta ako dito mismo sa barangay namin. So, yung mga tao, kung hindi market day, sa akin sila bumibili. And I'm so happy naman kasi they are very satisfied. Pag nilang sasabi na, oh, ang sarap ng manok na nabili ko sa'yo, what's the secret, and other things such as. So, nakakataba ng puso. And one thing is, the second thing guys, na gusto kong i-share sa inyo, the reason why I really, really love to start this farming. And pwede kang magkaroon ng business kahit sa likod ng bahay mo lang. Oo guys, sa likod ng bahay mo lang. Hindi mo na kailangan ng kung ano-anong fancy things or mga requirements dyan. Pwede ka nang mag-start. Kagaya nung sabi ko, nag-start ako ng broiler farm sa likod lang ng bahay namin, and kumita ako tax-free. O, diba? But guys, actually, depende yan sa karami ng ng aalagaan mo, or depende yan sa karami ng i-handle mo. So for me, in my case, it's 100 below. So no need for any certification. Hindi na kailangan. But of course, kapag mas mataas yan, doon na kinakailangan talaga. So that is the second reason. And the third reason why I started this and why is it very important, kasi ang backyard farm, it can also be the source of your food, of your meat, diba? Kagaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, alam nyo ba guys, kasi gusto ko kasing manood sa Facebook. Alam ko ganun din kayo, diba? And then I came up with this video. Doon sa video, isa siyang parang factory siya ng mga chicken. So nung time na yun, hindi ko alam kung mahanap ko pa yung video na yun eh. If it's so, I will insert this on this video. Basta siya, yung parang factory siya, tapos alam niyo ba, ini-inject nila ng kahit something yung chicken para mas lumaki siya, yung breast part at thigh part ng chicken, para mas lumaki siya, para mas bumigat siya. And that means yung mga capitalist, magkakaroon sila ng mas malaking income or profit dahil doon. And for me, I found it very alarming guys, kasi kung ganun hindi tayo nagiging sure sa ating food, or wala tayong food security na masasabi natin, hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga pinapakain nila, kung ano yung mga hormones na nilalagay nila doon, or steroids, diba? Mga antibiotics na nilalagay nila doon. So, hindi tayo sure. And kapag tayo mismo yung nagpalaki at nag-alaga, sure tayo na ito, ganito yung pinakain ko sa kanya, malinis, walang sakit, hindi double dead meat, diba? So that is the third reason why. And lastly guys, the reason why farm business is really nice is hindi ka lang nagkakaroon ng business, nagkakaroon ka pa ng libangan or stress reliever, diba? I myself, guys, I really like to stay in our backyard farm to think. So, ayan sila guys, ayan sila, nagsasunbath. First time in the history, jokes. So, most of the times, tapos talagang nare-relax ako, guys. And it made me appreciate life, especially kapag nakikita ko yung mga sisiyo, di ba? Ang cute-cute nila, grabe. Nakakawala ng stress at mga dinadamdam. May ganun. So, yes guys, I think that is it for this video. I hope na may natutunan kayo as always to this channel. I really miss you guys. Grabe, ang tagal kong hindi nag-film. So, yes, I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you guys and goodbye.